This is lovely, Tessie. A nice, relaxing day on the beach.
Ahoy there, mateys!
Oh! It's the pirates!
What are you doing here?
We be digging for treasure.
Shiny treasure! With this old map of Toy Town we found.
X marks the spot. Let's get digging.
Ahoy, mateys! We found treasure! Ah, it just be an old piece of wood. Yeah.
That's not a lump of old wood. It's a jigsaw piece.
Can't stop. There be treasure to find.
What's a jigsaw piece doing here, Noddy?
Maybe it belongs to a jigsaw on Gameboard Street.
You're right!
Come on, what are we waiting for? Wow, Gameboard Street is busy today.
Hello, Noddy. Hello, Tessie.
Hello,
Mark.
I didn't know you could play marbles, Whiz.
Yes, Lindy. Rolling ball bearings like this is popular in Robot Town.
Oh dear, look at Mr. Wobbly Man. Never mind, Mr. Wobbly Man. You can help us with our jigsaw.
Did you say jigsaw?
Jigsaw? No, me! We can all help Noddy!
I had better put these somewhere safe.
Listen, everyone. The pirates found this down at the beach. We think it must be a missing piece from one of the jigsaws on Gameboard Street.
But how will we know which one's got a piece missing?
We'll have to do them all.
Here they are!
Mr. Wobbly Man!
I've no idea how that happened.
All the jigsaws are jumbled up.
Never mind. It'll just make it more fun. Come on.
That can't be right.
Most perplexing.
A fish faller. It was a... Oh, a ballerinasaurus. Oh, a clownfish.
Noddy, this is not working.
Don't worry, Whiz. We're getting there. Look. Come on, everyone. We can do it.
Good idea, Noddy.
That's it. We've done every jigsaw.
Hooray! Noddy, we've still got this piece left over.
Oh, so it doesn't belong to any of them.
That means there must be a whole new jigsaw.
Not on Gameboard Street, there isn't.
There must be some other jigsaw pieces somewhere.
If there are, they must be very well hidden.
That's it. You've got it, Mr. Plod.
Have I? Thank you. Got what exactly?
The answer. All the pieces are hidden, and I know exactly how we can find them.
No shiny treasure today, then. Just a great big bowl of doogleberry dessert.
Pirates! had earlier. Have you still got it?
What, this old thing? You be welcome to it, matey. You won't find any treasure, mind.
No, just more of them jigsaw thingamies.
I knew it! Thank you, pirates! Well, the map says the next jigsaw piece should be buried here.
Oh, what are we going to do, Noddy?
Oh, we have got Bumpy. Oh, well done, Bumpy.
Not many left.
That's a carrot.
Bumpy!
Good boy, Bumpy. We've done it! Who wants to help put the jigsaw together? Brilliant! Now for the final piece.
Final piece.
Noddy, it doesn't seem to be here.
We must find the final piece.
Don't worry, it must still be hidden somewhere.
We've been to every cross on the map. There aren't any more, Noddy.
There must be another cross somewhere. Like under this blob of googleberry sauce.
Oh, the island!
Come on, we can use the hovercraft.
Noddy, we found shiny treasure.
So now we be wanted to play. Fancy a game of chase, Noddy? You in your hovercraft, us in our ship.
Sorry, pirates, I can't play chase right now. Maybe later.
According to the map, the final jigsaw piece should be exactly here.
Oh, looks like somebody got here before us. But who would be digging on the island? The pirates! They've got the last piece! Pirates, come back!
It's Noddy and Wiz. They're playing chase.
Ahar! Pass through, mateys.
No, wait, please!
Can't catch us.
We are not playing, pirates. We just want your treasure.
You can't have the treasure. It's our treasure.
No, you don't understand. It's not treasure. It's a jigsaw piece.
Hey?
Oh! It be shiny like treasure. If it is shiny treasure you want, then maybe we could swap the jigsaw piece for some shiny ball bearings.
Treasure!
Beep! Congratulations, Noddy. You have completed the most difficult jigsaw in Toy Town.
Yes, and thanks to you, Wiz, the pirates have also got what they wanted.
We got shiny treasure. Shiny, shiny treasure. We got shiny treasure.
Are you ready, children?
Really, really ready?
Yeah! Noddy.
Then let's dance!
Whee! Everyone loves dancing, don't they?
Then let's do it! We could have a Toy Town dance. Here in the square!
How lovely!
And everyone in town can do their own favourite kind of dancing.
A Toy Town dance! Noddy, what's your favourite dance?
I really don't know, Tessie.
Oh, what a fine-looking elephant.
Hello, Jumbo.
Oh, hello, Noddy. Tessie. Oh, just listen to this. Oh, dear, I don't know my own strength. Sorry about that.
That's okay. We've come to invite you to the Toy Town dance.
You like to dance, don't you, Jumbo?
Oh, of course. Who doesn't? Let's have some music, Tessie. Oh, something with a proper beat. Oh, that's more like it. Hey. Come on, let's stomp.
Is this your favourite dance, Noddy?
It is fun, but I think it's more Jumbo than me.
Oops, my stomping set the horn off again.
A dance! How wonderful! I can do my fairy shimmy!
Lindy, we are supposed to be banging the bumps out of that hubcap.
Oh, we could do that and then go to the dance.
I suppose that is possible. I do enjoy doing the robot dance.
What do you think, Noddy? Shimmy or robot?
I'm not quite sure either of them are for me. Don't worry, I'll find my dance.
I'm okay. Nothing to see. No one's hurt.
Drink up your googleberry, children. Then we can go to the dance.
Blueberry aid!
Oh!
Oh, I'd love to come, Noddy. I'm a good dancer, you know. Oh, 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 I'm sorry about that, Mr. Beetle. I only have to hear a steel guitar and I'm away.
We'll see you at the dance, Mr. Wobbly Man.
Did you well, Tessie?
Nice music, Skittles.
The music's ready, Noddy. Have you decided what kind of dance you're going to do?
I haven't, Tessie. Everyone's got their own special dance except me. You've got your moves. And the Skittles have their jump around thing.
Noddy.
And Jumbo has his stomp. Lindy and Wiz both have very different dances. Meep, 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 meep. And Mr. Wobbly Man has his wobble.
Wow, you can do every dance.
Yes, but none of them are a special Noddy dance.
Maybe you need some different music. What about this? Or this? Or this? This is good. Oh, and this one.
Careful, Tessie.
Oh, no. It stopped working.
Don't worry, Tessie. We'll get Wiz to have a look at it. Wiz, we've got a problem. The sing-along machine needs fixing.
Let me have a look, Noddy.
Pardon?
I said, let me... Excuse me one moment. Lindy!
Oh, sorry, Wiz. I have to bang the bumps out of this hubcap.
Just give me a minute. It appears to be a broken circuit. I will have it mended by next week.
Next week? But the Toy Town dance is right now. I want to dance! Oh, what are we going to do? Everyone will be really disappointed.
Oh. Come on, to the square.
He's got a big Noddy plan.
Fantastic!
Lindy, bring the hubcap.
Huh?
Sorry to keep you all waiting. The sing-along machine is broken. But the good news is the dance will go on anyway.
But Noddy, we need music to dance.
Which is why we formed the Toy Town Orchestra. A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Noddy! You found a special Noddy dance.
So I have.
Lindy, telephone. Where is my spanner? Whoosh, is that you? Whoosh! You are coming to see me? You are on the train from Robot Town already? That is wonderful! Beep. My friend Whoosh is coming to visit.
That's great, Whiz.
No. No, it is not great. Beep. Look at the mess. Whoosh is tidy and organized. She will not like this. Bzzzt. We must get ready. Robot ready. Now, Lindy, this is robot ready. Bzzzt. To keep it tidy, nobody is allowed in here until Whoosh arrives. Hello, Noddy. Bzzzt. My friend Whoosh is coming from Robot Town.
That's great, Whiz.
I hope she will like Toy Town. Bzzzt. She does not like mess.
Come on, Bumpy, knock me over! I want to fall
Everything's under control. Whoa! Steady on, you jelly.
Oh, Noddy. Whoosh will not like the falling over Skittles and the bumping dog and the wobbling Mr. Wobbly Man. It is not my garage that needs organizing. It is Toy Town.
Don't worry, Whiz. I'll help you make everyone robot ready.
Children, mind how you go?
The Skittles need organizing, Noddy. What can we do?
We could try this. How would you like to be robots, little Skittles? OK, then. If you are coming, you walk on this side.
And if you are going, you walk on this side.
All right, Whiz. I can do that.
Up you get, little Skittles. The Skittles will always be the Skittles.
What can be done about Mr. Wobbly Man, Noddy?
I'm not sure there's a way to stop him wobbling, Whiz.
I have an idea. Excellent!
You're certainly not wobbling, Whiz.
I am unable to move at all. How can I serve my delicious jellies if I can't move?
That is a problem. I have an organizing idea, Noddy. It is a lead for Bumpy.
Whiz, instead of trying to organise everyone, maybe we should just be ourselves and give your friend a big Toy Town welcome.
Yes, we will give her a special robot welcome, just like they do in Robot Town. Okay, everyone, I am going to teach you the special robot welcome march. It must be perfect. Beep. First, the first left and right groups cross. Then the second left and right groups cross. Then both the first and the second left and right groups cross backwards at the same time. Simple. Bzzzt.
It's a bit complicated, Whiz.
Sounds clear to us, Noddy.
Good. The soldiers are robot ready. Now, let us practice moving like robots.
Oh, goodness me!
Oh, that is not part of the march. Oh, time for Whoosh's train. We are not ready. What will she think?
We'll try our best, Whiz.
I'll try and be serious, like a Robot Town policeman.
And I'll get Whoosh some flowers. Then if it does go wrong, she'll have something nice at the end.
I must go and collect Whoosh.
What else can we do to help, Noddy?
There is something. Mr. Wobbly Man, while Whoosh is here, would you look after Bumpy at the jelly bowl?
Good idea, Noddy. That Bumpy can cause mayhem. Oh, they've fallen over again.
Hello.
Oh, lovely. Very well organised, Wiz.
Hello. You must be Whoosh. Tidy as you go. That's my motto.
Tidy as you go. Brrr. Then you cannot be the Lindy fairy Wiz mentioned in his letters. I am glad he has you working here now. Lindy was very messy. What is your name, fairy?
Lindy.
Lindy? Oh, nice to meet you.
I also told her you were a wonderful mechanic.
Everyone, line up to meet Whoosh. This looks untidy. I know. Let's start with the smallest and work up to the tallest. Come on.
Hello, Noddy.
Hello, Whoosh. I'm Noddy.
Hello, Noddy. I have heard a lot about you.
And this is everyone else.
I'm in the wrong place. I'm not big, I'm small.
Whoosh, we are going to give you a Toy Town welcome, just like the ones in Robot Town. I hope.
Just like Robot Town? Oh, all right, Wiz. Is that the jelly bowl, Wiz? You have told me so much about it. I would really like to go there afterwards for a jelly and ice cream. Oh, a dog too, in the jelly bowl.
The march is about to start.
Welcome to Toy Town, Whoosh.
Thank you.
And what a welcome!
I am sorry you have not had a good time. Toy Town may not be robot ready, but these are my friends.
I am having a fantastic time. I love Toy Town. I want to see more. I want to meet everyone.
Well, if you liked that, I know somewhere you'll really like.
Yes, the jelly bowl.
Say jelly and ice cream.
Jelly and ice cream.
I love Toy Town. The bumpy dog, the falling over Skittles. You know what Robot Town needs. Its very own Mr. Wobbly Man and Jelly Bowl.
Hello! On its way, coming through. The jelly and ice cream is on me.
The jelly and ice cream really is on you, Mr. Wobbly Man.